is Erik Fremstad. Nature lover, cat dad, talented artist.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to share a little bit more about myself. So, hello, I'm Erik. I live in Washington State. I'm originally from Minnesota. We moved out here a couple years ago. And for a nature boy like myself, I love it out here. There's so much to see and do and explore. I love getting up in the mountains. And I use all of that for inspiration in my artwork and photography. And I don't miss those negative 20-degree days in winter. So for the last 20 years and counting, I've been a video editor for TV shows. That's my day job. And that's how I've supported my art habits for the last 12 plus years or so. When I first started my television career, a lot of my extracurricular art projects just sort of went by the wayside as I was just sort of getting into the business. I think I was just sort of getting in tune with working all day in a creative atmosphere, and it was pretty grueling at the beginning. So after I got comfortable in my television job, I was being creative every day, but there are a lot of layers above you critiquing everything you're doing. I was really longing for my own personal expression creatively. And so that's really what inspired me to start creating my own personal artwork. And so to get my own creative process going again, I started out with photography, and that got me out into nature, searching out and exploring all these new places. And for a few years, that's what I really focused on. And some of my photos did quite well, got some recognition, won some awards, but photography was really a jumping off spot for me. First, it really connected me and made me want to learn more about nature and wildlife, but it also made me want to create artwork that had more substance and purpose to it and real value, which led me to developing and creating my most important artwork to date, which is a series called Unnatural Selection. Unnatural Selection is a series of 6 paintings telling the story, past, present, future, of 6 different animal species, or in some cases animal groups, that have been persecuted, sometimes to near extinction. Besides being extremely proud of this project, it's gained me some recognition. I've won some awards. The paintings have been included in a few exhibits, and I've also had one solo show with the paintings, which was a pretty cool experience. So over the years, I've created a lot of artwork, drawings, paintings, and almost always nature and wildlife based. What I love about creating art on an individual level, just by yourself is what I mean, and you can share it on social media or however you share it, but it's just you creating your own art, is you get to be the decider of everything. What might be bad to somebody else could be exceptional to you, or vice versa. There's no right or wrong. It's whatever creative expression you want to create, that is what it's meant to be. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about me. If you have any more questions, drop them down in the comments. Also, one of my goals is getting more comfortable on camera. We'll see if that happens.